Today's video is going to be how to do an oil change. Specifically, how to do an oil change on a 2006 Chevy Silverado HD. This oil change should be the same for 1999 through 2007 Heritage model. So what I've got is Castrol GTX high mileage 5W30 oil. It's a 5-quart container. 1 quart of Lucas heavy duty oil stabilizer. The total capacity on the truck is 6 quarts. And then also an ACDelco oil filter, PF46E. And then a 3/8 ratchet with a 15mm socket. So the first step in changing the oil is going to be getting the old oil out. You want to take the cap off, the oil fill cap, to allow air in so that as you're draining from the bottom, it doesn't get stuck in there by suction. Alright, here's the drain plug. Go ahead and crack it loose. Now that it's loose, we've got a drain pan right here. And just gonna back the bolt out. You want to do this when the engine is not hot. Of course, mine's gonna get all over my exhaust, so I'll be wiping that up. So if we'd left the oil cap on, it would have, the oil wouldn't come out as quickly. So I'm gonna let this drain for a little bit, and then I'll be switching over to the oil filter. We'll pull that out. So once the oil is drained off and it starts to slow down, we can go ahead and pull the oil filter out. Typically, if you install the oil filter in the proper way, you don't have to really crank on it to take it off. Sometimes, after a little bit of driving, the gasket will kind of seat up to the block and be a little bit difficult to take off. But I shouldn't have any problems with this one. I just changed it about 3,000 miles ago. So I'm going to go ahead and try and turn it to get off there. Nice and easy. I want to make sure that I've got coverage on the drain pan. I'm gonna let that drain a little bit. Get some oil on my hands. Alright, so when putting a new oil filter in, you can dab a little bit of oil, put around the seal, and this just helps keep it from seating and getting hot and essentially seizing to the block, so that it comes off just as easy as this last one I pulled off. Go ahead and twist that on there. And this is where some people think you really gotta put this on tight, but really, hand tight's fine. Go ahead and put the drain plug back in. And again, common misconception is the tighter the better, but when it comes to an oil change, it's designed to be snug but not real tight. So just a little pull until it stops. Real good. I'm gonna go ahead and wipe down my exhaust. The drain plug, a little bit from right here, a bit on the cross member, and I'll see you up top to fill her up. Alright, here we are top side. Got 5 quarts in this container here. Have a foil seal. And then pour the 5 quarts in. Funnel will help me. Soil stabilizer in. It also has a protective seal. And this flows about like honey. A little bit. Alright, I'm going to let this settle for a little bit and clean up, and then I'll come back, check the oil level. It'll be good. Alright, looks good. All done. For all the products I used today, I'll leave links in the description below. I hope you have a great day.